Whoa!
So, did you find the Whoa! Hey, what's everybody whoaing about? Whoa!
Kids, this is the surprise.
Mom, this is beautiful! What kind of flowers are those? I want to roll around in them!
Those are called lotus flowers, and they actually grow in the water, so rolling around in them is not a good idea.
It's pretty neat. But why would this be a spot for a station? It kind of just looks like a hole in the...
For the first time ever on PBS Kids, Nature Cat boldly goes where he's never gone before.
Tally-ho!
Nature Cat Ocean Commotion, part of PBS Kids Family Night. Tonight at 7, 6 Central on PBS Kids.